Oh, hey there. Today we have a 2025 Chevy Corvette Z06 convertible. This car is getting a full paint protection film all the way around. Every piece of this car is going to be covered and protected, so it's going to be ready for the nice summer trips down the highway. Wherever this car needs to go, it'll go in safety.
Just because it's a small car doesn't mean it's cheap. Check out how many pieces come on this little small vet. Probably about 1,000.
Yeah, like 1,000.
All right, we're wrapping up this brand new Z06, and just to recap, we did a polish, we did window tinting, and a windshield, of course. Then we did paint protection film, gloss paint protection film on all the paint and all the black trim, and then we ceramic coated it after that. And now it's ready to go on the road, get its break-in miles, so the customer can really have fun. So Todd, what do you think about the appearance right now?
Yeah, the car turned out absolutely fantastic. A little bit of background. Corey and Amanda, I've known them for 15 years. They've done almost 20 cars for me over the years. And it's just, you see paint protection film and window tinting, business come and go. And, and then you get your car done by some of those, and then 2 years later when you have a problem, you go to try to find them and they're out of business. So I'm really happy with the work I've done, obviously, to stay a customer for 15 years. They do a wonderful, wonderful job.